Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about distinct clause in SQL query. In SQL query statement, distinct clause statement is used for to removing a duplicate data rows from the result set. The distinct clause, the steps of one row is having the same duplicate row in the database. We'll make it as in a groups, and from the group we'll remove the particular duplicate data rows and accurate data will get into the result set from the database. The basic syntax of the distinct is very simple. Like earlier session we have seen the select statement. We'll create a distinct statement over there, and once it is finished, we'll see here. Earlier we have seen that select statement like select column name is column 1 comma column 2 from table name, it's in a products we have used here. Now we will see here it's in a table name. In advance to using the distinct of the keyword, here we'll use distinct. Select distinct of these two columns have written, means the distinct keyword will works to eliminate these two columns if any duplicates, which is a repeating same value in the next row, it will be eliminates and it will give you an accurate data from the database. In addition to, you can write where clause to specify the condition to filter the data on that particular filtered data only. You will get the accurately the original, like duplicate free data which you want to require. All right, we will see here in a real-time example. One is before and that the similarly we can work on this select with the distinct statement is if you want to run with the first column only with the distinct, it can be possible by mentioning like on distinct on, like distinct on with the braces of column 1. Now it will be concentrate only for this column. If any this column will have any duplicate names, the user registration is happened and the email address is the uniquely we are receiving. Unfortunately, the key we are fixed that key and duplicate email IDs are also inserted. If I want to get a genuine accurate email ID and the data from the email from the table, I can mention here distinct on email from the table name where the table is correspondingly responding. I can get the accurate data of the email addresses which are not having a duplicate. All right, in such way it's very easy to write a distinct keyword. We will see to execute a simple statement over here for a products table. Yeah, there is a table called employees is also there. We'll see the employees as well. First, as usual, what we write the query is select star from employees. Yes, I have to mention a star here. Yeah, unless I'm not remembering. Select star from employees. That's it. Using Terminator and F5 to run the query. Yes, complete table where I am mentioning the star here, the complete table it's showing here with all the columns. Right now, what I can do here is I need a EMP employee ID and employee first name. I'll see and we'll mention the distinct keyword over there. Okay, the column name here, you need not to remember anything. All you have to know about the column name here, it is showing. You take simply copy that name, that's it. Now the employee ID I'm writing here, employee ID comma first name. All right, and from employees. Now see here, it will be result set. My result set is only for two columns. Those are employee ID as well as first name, right? Now the result set is returned. How many rows it is? Almost 9 rows it is returned, right? Yeah. Now you'll see here I mentioned the distinct keyword. Distinct employee ID, first name. We'll see if any duplicates are available. Now see, 9 rows it is returned, whereas there is a no duplicate row in the particular table. All right. Now I can make it as in a name Annie is the same as Steven. We'll see now. I'm saving the table. Is this one? Yeah, data saved successfully with the help of this tool. Save changes in database like F6. If you put F6 on results data also, you can change the using pgadmin directly Postgres database tables. This is the trial database I am using here, hence I am changing everything wherever it's required. In real-time scenario, real-time data where you are to changing, you have to take in the necessary actions as your requirement. Now Annie is here, and again the column row 1 Annie is here with the ID of 9, and 7 ID is Annie is there. Total 9 rows. Now what I can do is distinct on first name I'll mention there. Here distinct on the parenthesis first name, run the query. Not written over here. Now run the query. The distinct it's showing 8. Let me check to see the data. Yeah, now you see here I'm applying first name here on the column where we have created one duplicate row there, as you've seen clearly. And now earlier it is a 9 rows, now it is in 8 rows only. Alright, it's Annie, it's showing single row only. Rest of what Annie we have created, which is eliminated from the result set, whereas actually the data is present in the database. Now see, very simple technique to remove like duplicates in database here. Select we have mentioned here from star from customers like employee and terminator with the line, and there is a two statements. I am selecting the single statement and hitting the execute. You will see here. Okay, I have mentioned the star indicates many rows is coming. It's okay. For us, I have to concentrate on number of rows is 9. Have you seen here? And Annie is 8 and 9 is Annie is showing. All right. To eliminate, instead of using only the first column I mentioned here, as you were required to filtering the data using where clause and group by and grouping the data like a category wise or like wherever you can apply it with the help of to eliminating all this using the distinct keyword. You will be assigned one assignment with this session. You have to fulfill that assignment by creating a table and verifying the distinct command with the respective different challenges. All right. Hope you understand about the distinct command. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.